Okay, today we have a fountain pen unboxing for you. This is the Platinum Izumo Galaxy fountain pen. It has a white cardboard sleeve. You pull that right off. And then it's got pretty lovely textured design going on the box. And it's got a two-tone look, which is nice. And then the Platinum name in gold. I really like the gold and kind of cream combination there with that pattern and the texture. It's great. Just lift that lid off. It's got some additional supports here in the lid, just nice. Okay, and then you have your really lovely wood box here. It's tied with a purple, really thick, I wouldn't call that a ribbon. It's more like combination between a ribbon and a rope, almost like a tiny belt. Got your little scallops here to catch that, to make sure it stays in place, which is nice. And then looks like that's inked on there. Can't really tell. It's a really nicely made wooden gift box there. Okay, so just untie that and then lift off the top. And inside you have your beautiful pen. It does come with a full-size bottle of platinum ink here, which is really always nice. It's just a little bit of extra foam. You've got your paperwork here, your fountain pen warranty card, along with some instructions about not posting the pen. That's why it says, please read before use. So they're telling you not to post this pen, that if you do, you might hurt your pen. It says, please note that it may break the balance and damage the pen when the cap is placed back on the pen. Do not put the cap back on the pen. And it's saying back on the pen, but from the picture, it looks like on the back. Don't put it on the back of the pen. Don't post it. Okay. So this is the Izumo. Also, you get the Izumo user's manual. You also get, included with your pen, is one ink converter and one ink cartridge. So you've got everything you need. And you can see here that they have the tag that's almost always on their platinum pens, but they don't have it on the clip like they usually do. It was just sitting here in the box. And this is a really soft velvety material, which is nice. Okay, and then you may recognize this little pin sleeve. It's like a kimono style pin sleeve, I would say, pin wrap, but it does have the little clip on the back here, so you can actually clip this closed. I've seen some people use these and they leave the pin wrap flat, like kind of loose like this, and they just clip it. But I've seen other people like really tighten it up, so however you like to use them. But I do think it's really cool that they did the red ribbon here, but they have that red mimicked here on the inside of the wrap. It's really nice. All right, here's the pen. Actually, wait, no, we're gonna get everything out from under it first. Have a clear view. So this is, whoa, this is your Platinum Izumo fountain pen. Just looking at it first. It is really pretty, really pretty. Okay, so they described this when I first saw the material, the promotional materials on this pen. They described it as holding the galaxy in your hand. And it really is, I really like this. This is a really beautiful material. So they were able to create this effect by combining Urushi Nuri and finely crushed mother of pearl. And then they spent 6 months lacquering and drying and polishing and lacquering and drying and polishing to create this really unique effect that was really worth it. Other things about the Platinum Raden Izumo Galaxy fountain pen: the barrel and cap are both Raden on ebonite, The clip is gold-plated beryllium copper. I think we got a good look at that, but just in case you missed it. Each pin is also fitted with an 18 karat gold nib, so let's take a look at that. This is your 18 karat gold nib. It is branded there with the Platinum name. Okay, and we already saw that the pin comes with both an ink converter and ink cartridge, so obviously this is a cartridge converter pin. You access that area by taking the barrel off the section, and then you would just insert either your converter or your cartridge here. The section is black, which is nice. It's interesting, the barrel unscrews from the section like kind of in the middle of where you would expect. That's interesting. So the threading is not on the bottom of the cap, it's back up in there a little bit, so that when you put it in, it's up here and catches those threads. Okay, so that is your quick look at the Platinum, new release from Platinum, that Izumo Galaxy. I'm sorry, the Raden Izumo Galaxy. If you have questions or you just want more information, check it out at penchalet.com.